Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Catlyn and I do motherhood and lifestyle videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And if you're coming back as a subscriber already, I want to thank you for being here with me. So today we are actually starting off my Ultimate Clean With Me series. So I'm going to be doing a clean with me every Sunday until I get my entire house clean. So make sure you come back here every Sunday to get some super awesome cleaning motivation. So I'm showing you here just how dirty my kitchen is. I haven't deep cleaned my kitchen in months. I know it's bad. So we are going to be doing some super deep cleaning today, wiping down the cabinets, the fridge, cleaning the floors, and just really getting this kitchen back to the way it needs to be.
I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.
So we're gonna start off here doing the dishes. I feel like when I have a clean sink, my kitchen just feels a little bit cleaner. So we are going to start out putting the dishes away and loading the dishwasher back up.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Am I the only one who puts everything in the dishwasher and then looks around the house and finds like 16 more dishes that end up needing to go in the dishwasher? I can't be the only one, right? Let me know down in the comments. So we just got this new griddle, and it's different than the last one we had, and it has this silver top on it, and I don't know what it is, but our last one never did this, where it has these spots where I just can't get it off. So if you guys have any recommendations of how to get these brown spots off of the non-stick surface on the top, let me know. So typically I would just let these cups and pans and things like that air dry, but because I was doing the clean with me, I wanted to hand dry them so I could clean the sink afterwards. Just using my Thieves soft scrub. I use baking soda and Thieves oil and lemon oil to make this little concoction, and I use it to scrub the sink. I just love the way that a clean sink makes my kitchen feel so much cleaner, and it smells so much better. I just love cleaning the sink. Am I the only one? Am I weird for loving to clean the sink out? And this little white tray that you see me cleaning right there was, that's the tray that my dish soap and everything sits on, and it just gets so grimy and gross, so I like to give that a wash probably twice a week. And now I'm just decluttering the countertop. It had accumulated a lot of different things that needed to get put away, so I wanted to do that. Dollar Tree bags, I have a bunch of things for DIYs that you guys will see later. Now I am just cleaning my coffee station up. It really needed to be cleaned and organized a little bit better than it was. And one thing that I forget to wipe a lot is right up here on top of the granite backsplash and the trimming behind the sink as well. And it ended up being so dirty and gross, and I really need to remember to clean that more often. And to clean all my surfaces, I'm just using Thieves all-purpose cleaner from Young Living, and I love it. It makes my house smell like fall, and I am just obsessed with it. Another area that I often forget to clean is right around my sink on the granite. So our sink is kind of set down into our countertop, and I forget to clean that granite right inside of the sink as well. So another reminder to myself that I need to clean that more often. And this little tool you see me using here is the best $1 I've ever spent, ever. It is actually, I got it from a vintage Tupperware sale, and it's this scraper tool that you can use for your grill or your countertop, and it literally has changed the game in my kitchen cleaning. It helps me get all of the burnt on food off of the top of my glass stovetop, as well as all of the buildup on the walls and things like that in the kitchen as well. And it was so amazing and literally the most random find ever.
The switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, trip, trip.
Also, the microfiber cloths that I have that I use to clean are awesome and I love them, but if you guys have any recommendations for microfiber cloths that you guys love using in the kitchen and around the house, please leave them down in the comments. I'm always looking for new cleaning supplies, and I would love to hear your guys' recommendations down in the comments.
It's the only way we know how to do it. So young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth.
Also, I wanted to come in here and let you know that I'm so thankful for you guys, and without you, none of this would be possible. I would love if you would hit that red subscribe button down below, become a part of my YouTube family, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And make sure you hit that like button, it really helps me out, and also it helps me know that you guys like this type of content. If you like this type of cleaning motivation, I will for sure do it past my cleaning series on my channel and start doing some more cleaning videos. So just let me know by hitting that like button. Also, if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure that you follow me over there. It's just at Catlyn McMillian. I post lots of stories and outfit of the day inspiration, some cleaning inspiration, my morning routine every morning, and just fun things that I do with the kids over there. And as you can see here, Wyatt really wanted to help me wipe down the counters, and I just love when the boys get involved with helping me. It makes it go so much faster and it makes it so much more fun.
In the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the See who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do.
If you guys have any awesome gadgets that help you clean the microwave way easier, please leave them down in the comments below. I would absolutely love your gadget recommendations because wiping it down with a microfiber cloth and the spray was very tedious.
Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you, I can't forget you, you're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you, I can't forget you, you're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need.
Something I've always wondered is how often do you typically clean out your fridge? I tend to put it off until the last second that I need to because it's so tedious for me. But I want to know, how often do you usually clean your fridge out? Whether it be cleaning out the food or actually taking everything out and wiping it down. I want to know down in the comments, how often do you clean your fridge?
We'll grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abide. deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need until my heart gives in.
This part of my fridge down on the bottom is always the thing that gets the most dirty. It's where the tea drips down when Josh takes it out, and it just seems to catch all of everything that drips. So that's the most dirty part of my fridge.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift.
Wyatt's so funny. He wanted to help me vacuum so bad, so he went and got his little vacuum and was helping mommy vacuum up the floor.
It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing
Alright, you guys, and that's gonna do it for this kitchen clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed and got some awesome cleaning motivation out of it. Let me know down in the comments what you cleaned while watching this with me. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I post the next ultimate cleaning. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea.